As a last example, let's take a look at this problem. Here we have log base x of 15 is equal to 4. In this case, the x is trapped in a logarithm, but this time it's in a completely different position. The variable is actually located in the base. However, because it's still part of that logarithmic expression, the only way that we can really work with it is to change this problem from logarithmic form to exponential form. So let's see what happens when we do that. In this case, my base is x, so that is still the base of my exponential part. I grab the exponent from the other side of the equal sign, and then that's equal to whatever was inside the logarithm. So in this case, that's x to the 4th is equal to 15. Keep in mind, in this problem now, I still want to solve for x, but this time x is on the main level already. So it's part of an exponential expression, but it's in the base, and we solve those completely differently. I want to get the x by itself, so what I want to do is get rid of a 4th power, and if you recall from the last chapter, we get rid of things being taken to the 4th power by taking the 4th root. So this, in this case, the x was in the log, but it was in the base. When we rewrote it, it was on the main level. We had to take the 4th root in this case to get rid of that. Here the 4th root and the 4th power just undo each other and leave me just with x. On the other side of the equation, I'm going to need to take the 4th root of 15. Now, keep in mind that because this is an even powered root, we do introduce the possibility of either positive or negative solutions, but we should be able to figure out what the 4th root of 15 is on our calculator. Generally, what we want to do is, at least for calculators like this, if we can type the 4th root in first, then we're going to go into the math menu and choose option 5 here, that xth root. So we want it to do the 4th root, and then we type whatever number we have. So in this case, we're going to type 15 in next. So we want the 4th root of 15, and so that gives me 1.96. That'll round up to 8. Your calculator, when you take that 4th root again, is only giving you the positive value. You just need to remember anytime that you're taking an even root that we actually have two possibilities of different answers, in this case both the plus and the minus terms. And that should do it.